Today I'm going to show you how I built this DIY console table. I took spare 2x4s I had in the shop, cut them down to length at about 34 inches. After I had those cut down, I took them over to the table saw so I could rip them in half to give me my 4 legs for the project. After I had my 4 legs, I then cut down some 1x4 pieces to be about 1x2 to become my trim pieces. So here I'm making the side leg, and I made the trim piece about 8 inches for this project, and then did it again for the left hand side leg. And I just used wood glue here and brad nails because I knew I'd be painting the base, so I wasn't too worried about hiding the nails. I'll be able to put some wood filler in there. Now I'm connecting them through the front with the 2 longer pieces. I made that about 32 inches, so then the project itself is about 8 inches by 32 there. Next, I started cutting down the 1x4s into about 8-inch sections for the bottom, and then I did 32 inches for the top. After I had those cut down, I wiped them all down with wood conditioner because I'll be staining them, and the wood conditioner, especially with pine, will soak in to allow the stain to give a lot smoother of a staining. So when you're working with a porous wood, especially pine, you'll always want to use some wood conditioner. So now I just simply applied the stain to them, wiping it on. I give it about 3 minutes in between before wiping it back off. I wasn't too worried about getting the stain on the sides, especially the long pieces, because they'll be jointed up together, so you won't ever see it. Now I'm just quickly sanding the project down before I put a coat of paint on. I put some wood putty where I shot the brad nails, so I just wanted to sand that down, then get any nubs and everything off of there. Now I skipped the part where I painted it, but I did just take it outside and put a couple coats of white spray paint on there, then brought it back in, let it dry. So now I am just gluing down the wood slots for the bottom. I decided to just use wood glue, no brad nails or anything, which should be plenty strong. I measured out the middle and then just kind of eyeballed it from there for the bottom slots because this is kind of a rustic look, so I wasn't too worried. As long as you get it centered, then it's not going to look bad to the eye. Then the tops, I did the same thing. I just put the 3 pieces together, glued around, and then I'm going to use these clamps to hold it down, and then some sacrificial boards and everything on top so I don't get any clamp marks whenever I'm holding it down. After a day, I took those off and it was good to go. And then now I just wanted to add this metal aluminum piece to the back. For the customer, they wanted this to kind of match some black metal accents they had throughout their house. So I spray painted this aluminum, cut it down, and then just used a drill bit to drill through it and connect it to the back. Now, since no floor is level, I like to add these little feet, which you can get from any of your home stores, but you just drill in, then put a plastic insert, and then the feet insert into that. That is it. Now you are done with your DIY console table. If you enjoyed that video, then please just like and or subscribe so I can do more videos like this. Thank you.